You probably use Google Maps to navigate to a friend's house or a road trip or a coffee shop. But did you know that Google Maps has within it street view images that go back in time, allowing you to be able to see the history of what your house looked like a decade ago, or maybe your neighborhood or a place that you're looking to visit? I'm going to show you exactly how to step back in time and see all of those historical images. So let's open up the Google Maps app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And I'm going to use Miami Beach as an example in this case. So zoom into wherever you're interested in seeing that historical images for. And let's say South Beach, Miami. I'm going to choose right around here. So you can see I'm zooming in, and I can either just type the address in here, or I can take my finger and press and hold. And you can see when I do that, it drops a pin in that exact location. You should see right above the drop pin is a little image, and you can tap on that. And this gives you the street view. So I can go around and see exactly what this street in this location on this date looked like, July 2024. However, the cool thing is that I can step back in time, and I can do that easily just by swiping up at the bottom and tapping on See More Dates. You'll be able to see July 2024, but I can also go to July 2022. I can go back to 2018 and see what this building looked like. I can even step all the way back, in this case, all the way back to December 2008, and you can see that building actually looks fairly similar. Of course, all of the cars look a little bit older, and some of the buildings might have changed. But the cool thing is you can then just take your finger and double tap along the street, and it will drive along that street, along that neighborhood, wherever you might be, and you can get an idea of what that street looked like in the past. Again, you might need to, at the bottom, go all the way over to, in this case, November 2007 was the first image of this area, and you'll be able to see what the buildings look like, what the cars look like, what all the architecture look like. Essentially, this is great to do for your own house or your own neighborhood to get a historical view of that specific location. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.